So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Reconnect Inverter AC in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the on-off button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up-down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 17 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, do it. And if you feel hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button is Eco. Pressing the Eco button sets the temperature of the AC to 24 degrees and the fan speed of the indoor unit will start running in automatic mode. For energy conscious users in Eco mode, Eco mode helps balance cooling with low power consumption, making it great for daily use while cutting down on energy bills. After that, the next button is Mode. The Mode button has 5 functions. On pressing the Mode button, you will see the mode on the remote. Now the mode is in Cool. Now the mode is in Dry. Now the mode is in Heat. Now the mode is in Fan. Now the mode is in Auto. Now I will tell you the details of the modes in very simple words. In Cool mode, all the buttons on the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in Cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is Dry. You can use Dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat. So using the AC in Dry removes that humidity. The next mode is Heat. Please note that if your AC supports heat mode, then only you can use heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, then you cannot use heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, then you cannot use heat mode. If the AC supports AC mode, then you can heat your room in cold weather by using heat mode. The next mode after that is Fan mode. In fan mode, AC will not do cooling. Only the fan of indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want cooling of AC and you just want to use the fan of AC, then you can use fan mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, then auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and AC will work according to its own. The next button is Fan. This is for the speed of the fan that is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Currently the fan speed is in auto. Currently the fan speed is in low. Currently the fan speed is in medium. Currently the fan speed is in high. You can control the fan speed according to your needs. If you want to chill the room quickly, then you can set the fan speed to high. The next button is Sleep. Reconnect. The sleep mode on inverter acts gradually increases the temperature throughout the night so that you can sleep comfortably. This is a low power mode that helps you save energy. How it works? The AC gradually increases the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. When the desired temperature is reached, the AC automatically switches off and on again. Helps you sleep easily in sleep mode, helps you get back to sleep quickly if you wake up in the middle of the night, and can increase the life of your system and reduce AC servicing costs. And those who want to sleep comfortably without overcooling and save money on electricity bills can use the sleep button. After that, the next button is Turbo. Generally, when we switch on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you need quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this, the room cools down very quickly. The next button is Self-Clean. The Self-Clean function on Voltas acts, also known as Auto Clean mode, is a feature that automatically starts the indoor unit's blower to remove moisture from the indoor unit after the AC is turned off, helping to prevent the growth of bacteria and mold on the evaporator coils, essentially keeping the AC clean without manual intervention. You can usually activate this function on the remote control. When the self-clean function is activated, the indoor unit's fan continues to run at a low speed for a while after the AC is turned off, allowing the remaining moisture to evaporate. Helps maintain good air quality by preventing the growth of mold and bacteria. Can increase the lifespan of the AC by reducing corrosion on the evaporator coils. Most Voltas AC remotes have a dedicated self-clean or auto clean button that you can press to activate this feature. The next button is LED. Pressing the LED button will turn off the display of your AC, but your AC will remain on. You can use this button to turn off the display light of the AC only. The next button is Follow Me. The Follow Me function on the Reconnect Inverter AC automatically adjusts the airflow based on the location of the remote control. This feature helps ensure that the room is cooled evenly and comfortably. How it works: the temperature sensor of the remote control detects the room temperature. The AC adjusts the airflow to direct cool air towards the remote control. The AC can also control the fan speed so that cool air does not go out when the heating starts. The Follow Me function can help cool the room more efficiently. It can help ensure that the room cools evenly. It can help prevent discomfort caused by cool air going out when the heating starts. The next button is Vertical Swing. This button is for the front swing of the AC. It works in up and down. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC quickly in the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button is Horizontal Swing. This button is for the inside swing of the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC quickly in the room. The cooling of the AC will spread quickly, and wherever you want to stop the swing, by pressing this button the swing of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again the swing will start working automatically. The next button is Timer On. To turn on the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in Timer On. By pressing the Timer On button, you can see the time on the remote. In Timer On, you can set the time from half an hour to 24 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn on automatically after 1 hour. So now I will set 1 hour from the Timer On button of the remote, and the Timer On will be automatically set in 1 hour. The next button is Timer Off. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in Timer Off. By pressing the Timer Off button, you can see the time in the remote. In Timer Off, you can set the time from half an hour to 24 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically after 7 hours. So now I will set 6 hours with the Timer Off button of the remote, and the timer will automatically turn off in 7 hours. You can see the time of the timer by pressing the Timer On and Timer Off buttons. If you want to cancel the timer, press the power button of the remote twice and the timer will be cancelled. If you understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.